Incfile versus Zenbusiness comparison. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be comparing Zenbusiness with Incfile. So let's get into it. Now, Incfile is now known as Busy, so they've changed their name, but it is Incfile, as you can see, powered by Incfile. They've changed their name now. So let's get into it. First things first, let's take a look at the reviews on Trustpilot. So on Trustpilot, Busy has 17,505 reviews and it's 4.8, whereas Zen Business, it has around 14,389 and it's around 4.8. So again, they're both very similar, but because Busy has, and they're all, mostly 5 stars, that's why it has a higher rating. That's why I would say that, because it has more reviews, it has a higher rating as compared to Zen Business. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of their pricings. So if we come over here onto this website, we can see, they're comparing it. Zen Business is comparing it themselves with Incfile, and over here, they're both fast and simple. They're both expert in filing, but worry-free compliance service. They have that 100% accuracy guarantee. They have that, and lifetime business support. They both have that, right? And over here, you can see that Zen Business, of course, on Forbes Advisor ranks Zen Business as a 4.9 and Busy as a 3.8. And over here, we can see that Zen Business's EIN fee is $99 and for Busy it's $70, and they have a money back guarantee. Zen Business does have a money back guarantee, but Busy does not have a money back guarantee. And then over here we can see ratings as well. So, and over here we can see as well a small comparison between them. So over here, registered agent, they both have that, and it is for free for Zen Business, but for Busy, it's only going to be free for the first year. After that, it's going to cost you money. And the EIN registration is $99 in Zen Business, and of course, in Busy, it's 70. And they both have customer support. Busy is from Monday to Friday, whereas Zen Business is from Monday to Friday and Sunday as well. So they're all 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. But on Sundays, it starts at 8 p.m. to 7 p.m. Whereas for Busy, it's 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And if we take a look at over here with the starting price, you can see that over here, they both have very similar websites as well. They provide you with all the features. They don't have any partnership, a limited or limited liability, whereas Incfile does have a non-profit option as well. And they both do not provide any legal advice, and they're both registered agent service is going to be $199 per year for both of them. And of course, down below is the email, and then down below is the pricing plan. So for the Zen Business, you can see it right here. It starts with $0 plus state fees, which is the starter, whereas Incfile is going to be silver. Both very similar, same. The Pro and Gold, very similar pricing. For premium, Zen Business is a little bit, more expensive. It's almost $350 per year plus state fees, whereas Platinum for Incfile is only $300. S Corp and C Corp filing over here, you can see very similar. And yeah, even the premium ones, the pro ones, and then we have the non-profit filing. Well, of course, Zen Business does not have a non-profit filing plan, whereas Busy does. So you can see that right here. So yeah, generally speaking, this is it. This is how you do it. In terms of, I would say, review wise, Zen Business is ahead, and the pricing of them are both similar, except that Busy provides you with a little bit more. That's why I would say Incfile is much better, but they're both very similar in terms of review wise, in terms of pricing and everything. It's just that Busy just has the edge with a little bit more features. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.